Good morning, ma'am. I am Don Paul Antepesto, second year college, BSMT, is 1Z from Corazon, San Miguel, Bohol, and I am 20 years old. And my hobbies in life, ma'am, is enjoy my life. I'm playing basketball, cellphone, and slightly studying, ma'am. And my goal in life, ma'am, is to travel around the world. That's my goal, ma'am, in life. And I'm proud to see, ma'am. I am I am I am a Catholic because I know Catholic is our founder of Catholic is Jesus Christ. Who sa pa yung my favorite color, ma'am, is blue, and my favorite girl is Johan. So, ma'am, na my favorite chocolate, ma'am. Kanang and ang sa sunod ng maoras to, ma'am. That is myself, and that. Thank you, ma'am. See you soon. That's all.